jerks!
Thanks for your help. You saved me.
I did? Right! Oh, yeah, of course I saved you. It's my nature. I'm always rescuing things. Cats, babies, guys like you, always rescuing. Hey, what's going on? Is this any way to treat your rescuer? You owe me, pal. I saved your life.
Abu, wait! He's right. I do owe him. I'll see that the Sultan gives him a fair hearing.
What? The Sultan? No!
Don't worry, I'll talk to him. Soften him up a little.
Are you kidding? He hates me! And what about the princess?
No problem. I just have to make sure that Jasmine doesn't see you until I've gotten her prepared.
Gotten me prepared for what?
I mean, for the stain Abu got on the brand new vest you gave him.
I don't see a stain.
Huh. Well, no problem then. Off to dinner. Can't wait for that surprise.
Is something wrong?
Huh? Wrong? Oh, come on. No. Everything's just fine.
You aren't hiding anything from me, are you? Any more secrets?
Secrets? Of course not. I almost lost you once that way. I'll never make that mistake again. What?
He's big! He's blue! He's back!
Genie!
You came back.
Watch the sun burn! Aha! Kidding. Did you miss me? Be honest. Take care of these, my good mammal. Careful, they're heavy. Hang on, I got souvenirs for everybody. Woo, she dances.
You saw the whole world already?
It's a small world after all. But Agrabah has something that no other place in the world has. You guys! I parachuted down into the Taj Mahal.
I rollerbladed all along the Great Wall.
I even made the famous Leaning Tower fall. But who was with me through it all? Nobody! The Moscow Circus hired me to fly traffic. On Mount Olympus ran a race with Hercules. It's easy when you're chased by killer bees and Gesundheit. When I sneeze, that's true. So now I'm home again with you. You chase the clouds away whenever I am blue. You're always blue.
And the pyramids, I highly recommend.
There is nothing in the world quite like a friend. Slipped like a babe in Bombay on a bed of nails.
My rocket's got my daring dance of 7 bells.
I single-handedly, I even saved the whale.
No one was there to hear my tales.
Acapulco joined a mariachi band.
I rode the Raging Rapids down the Rio Grande.
Flew in an air balloon, but when I tried to land,
Nobody laughed or lent a hand.
Without you, the Amazon is just a trickle.
Without you, the Sahara's not so hot. Without you, Niagara Falls is just a leaky faucet.
That QE2 is just some yacht.
Now that I'm home again, it's clear. All I ever wanted seems to be right here. I've traveled east and west, and now I'm back again. And there's nothing in the world quite like a friend.
There's nothing in the world.
Nothing in the whole wide world.
There is nothing in the world quite like a friend. Nothing in the whole